Tickmill Review. Is this trading platform worth it? So what is Tickmill? Tickmill is a globally regulated Forex and CFD broker known for super tight pricing, lightning fast execution, and super friendly account setup. It's especially popular among high volume traders and scalpers looking for cost efficiency and reliability. So what it stands out at is the pros. So it offers low fees and tight spreads. So on raw accounts, the spreads can sink to as low as zero point 0.0 to zero point 0.1 pips. It also has a strong regulation and security. They also have a fast and transparent trading experience, so orders execute in at least approximately 0.15 seconds with minimal slippage. They also have a low deposit and withdrawal fees and an activity transparency. It also has a beginner-friendly setup and even has materials, so they have fast onboarding and low minimum deposit. Although it comes with some downsides, it has a limited asset range, there are fewer platform options, and there's some complex fee structures for low volume traders. However, there's some real user feedback that says Tickmill has fast withdrawal fine and just verify your account and it will go smoothly. So in conclusion, Tickmill is a solid and legit broker for serious Forex, CFD traders, especially scalpers or high frequency users.